In order to connect printer on POCO F7 Pro, we need to go to Settings. In the settings, choose more connectivity options, and then here we have printing option. You should be able to find, for example, the system printing service. So you can tap over here, make sure that it is enabled in order to try to find your printer. Over here, you can also tap on more at the bottom in order to try to add your printer manually by using the IP address or by using Wi-Fi direct printing. Now, of course, in some cases it is not possible to detect the printer by using this option. So you can also try My Home, especially if you have, for example, a Xiaomi printer or something like this, or a printer that is compatible with Xiaomi. And then you can also go to Add Service in order to download an additional plugin that might be required to be downloaded on the phone to be able to detect and use your printer. And remember that in some cases, the printer has its own app. So you want to also check the manual, the user manual, in order to find out if there is any specific app that you need to download, for example, by using the Play Store, and if you should have it to set up the printer on your phone. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.